by the United Photographer Goan Photographer Association, along with all the South Indian Photography Association. On this occasion, we have the President of UGP, Sri Oscar Bab, the Father Cipriano, Madam Pratibha, the KPA President Sri Purames, and all the dignitaries on the days of the days. And सगळे म्हजे गोंयकार भाव आणि भयणी तुमकां सगळ्यांक म्हजो नमस्कार.
Well, fun, frolic and masti. These are the words used for Goa, land of entertainment and only entertainment. Do you agree with me? Yes. We are here to celebrate this ritual in our own special way, recognizing the heroes of art form creators. Come alive with skill certification, giving you wings to fly and the recognition you deserve. Saluting your endurance for perfection, join me in this gesture to prove skill is bigger than the knowledge. क्योंकि हुनर है तो कदर है ना? वरना ये डगर मुश्किल है. Having said this, I am Pratibha Pulijala, heading South India Advisory for Media and Entertainment Skill Council. When I say media and entertainment, the all industry pertaining to entertainment, television, movies, print media, electronic media, social media, digital media, whatever different categories of skills available under this roof, all come under this category of skills.
Hi, this is Oscar, President of United Goan Photographers and Videographers Association, Goa. I am so happy today that so many of our members have been bestowed with this prestigious certificate by the MESC. I would like to thank the Government of India, the Central Government of India, for this honor bestowed on our members. Also, I would like to thank Pratibha Madam. She's been the limelight in getting so many of us all over South India registered. I first met her in Kerala and then in Bangalore, and that's where I invited her to come for our prestigious show, Goa Fest, which was held in September last year. And she readily accepted my invitation to come to Goa and imparted so much of beautiful knowledge to our members and to the general public that were present at our Goa Fest. Thank you, Pratima Madam, for being such an inspiration to many of us. Thank you so much for whatever you have done for our members, and I'm sure this will continue. We will keep on continuing our registration with you. Also, I wish you all the best for your hard work, and I thank again the Media Skill Council for bestowing us with such a prestigious certificate. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I'm Victor Ferrao, member of United Goan Photographer and Videographer Association. I've been in the photography industry for 23 years. I really feel privileged and great as I received the MESC certificate today. Today the government has recognized our work and efforts. I would like to thank Oscar, our president, and the other members and Ma'am Pratibha for helping us get certified. This certificate recognized is really gonna help us in the long run. This will help us achieve a lot of things that we couldn't before, from applying a bank loan to getting government approved projects. Once again, thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, this is Orlando Dias, Treasurer of United Goan Photographers and Videographers Association, Goa. I have just received the Media and Entertainment Skill Council certified MAC certificate for professional photographers from Goa. We are the first batch of skilled people from Goa to get this certificate. I'm proud about that. We thank the Prime Minister's Kaushal Vikas Yojana scheme for recognizing us as skilled photographers. We hope that all the government schemes, people like us who do not get any government help will be provided help in future regarding this our profession and getting all the benefits whatever is there, as previously we have not got any support from the government. We have been paying taxes all throughout our business. Thank you.
Today we are here to celebrate your certification ceremony, and hope you all have seen that there was a announcement. There was a Facebook posting already done. When I will ask you all can show your certificate. When we will be taking the group photo, we are waiting for Gunjan ma'am also to join. She'll be joining us in 10 minutes. And so, how are you all feeling after receiving your certificates? How are you all feeling?
Feeling very proud, ma'am.
We would like to listen from Oscar sir, because he's been one big pillar and he has very, dedicatedly and committedly and with a lot of integrity, he has actually got this Goa happen. So I really appreciate his commitment towards, and I know you people are very passionate. I have seen your passion in the event and to your work and to your professional. Keep it up. You guys are doing a great job, and it's very nice. Now you are associated with MESC. Why I'm insisting on Facebook is for two things. Now MESC has taken a very, very, I should say, invaluable initiative called Vidya Dan. Okay, this is initiated by our chairman, Subhash Gaiji. Now this program, as the name suggests, Vidya Dan. Okay, so this is basically all eminent people in different genres are contributing to people like you all who are professionals, who are wanting to upgrade, who are wanting to learn more. They are sharing their knowledge. Okay, so that you all can avail it, because in the Facebook we will continuously keep posting such webinars happening on a daily basis. There are so many different webinars in animation, in photography, in acting, in dancing. Different genres are happening. So parallelly you can have, anybody is interested, and your genre when it comes, you will not miss out. Okay, so you will get all the informations whatever MESC is conducting for you. Okay, that is one important aspect I wanted to say. That's why so that is very important. And today after the ceremony also, you all can post it, holding your certificate, post it on the Facebook, so that our social media team can post it in our national page, where everybody would like to see how proud it is to receive, and whatever you want to share, your feeling, what it is giving you, and what else you are looking for. Okay, want to upgrade, what is that, you want to understand more, you can also share that in the Facebook, so that there can be some improvement done on those lines also. Yeah, now I will go to Mr. Oscar. I don't see them.
Madam,
Yes.
first of all, thank you for your kind words. Very, very much appreciated. It's always been my passion to do something for the association, and that's why we, being a small group, we still strive to do the best we can in whatever way we can, and in the best way we can. So now at the moment, since MESC has certified the majority of us with their certification. We are very proud that we have been linked with the MESC, and I hope this certificate will help our members to do something for themselves and to get recognized in whatever field they are. Also, I'd like to thank you, madam, for all the trouble you have taken to come to Goa last year and to be with us and to enroll most of our members. So, thank you very much, MESC, the entire team, and especially, madam, you for having us enrolled. Thank you.
It's always a pleasure, Oscar sir. It's never a trouble, and it's always a pleasure, and I could see most of it. There are 3 of your members, for some reason, it's called as Aadhaar failure. Aadhaar failure doesn't mean it is rejected, okay? Aadhaar failure simply means that it is a technical error. See what happens when you are doing your Aadhaar card. Yeah, Aadhaar card, when they get it done, either their retina or their thumb impression
and
must have
one of them.
Okay, it must have mismatched. So simple, they should go to Aadhaar eSeva and get it done again. Within 7 working days, it gets automatically rectified on the server. Once it is corrected, they can resend it to us. The acknowledgement, the eSeva will give you an acknowledgement. After 7 to 10 working days, we can try. Again, we are waiting for the SDMS to open, which will happen in the month of July or so. And once the new rollout with new guidelines will come, we are going to conduct it. Ideally, today's ceremony, we would have done it in a regular format of calling in a gathering. But because NSDC has strictly given us guidelines to conduct it online, going forward also because of COVID, any such sessions, let it be our orientations, trainings, or assessment, everything will become online, not like last year, how we did it, calling up in an expo or coming in a hall and something like that. So that is where we have to get used to this process. And this is the process where we will be doing it. Remaining, of course, you have to follow the same process. Everything, even orientations, we have to do it in Zoom. Zoom is easy, no? From your home only, you all can do our free will, and we can do conveniently. So this is what it is. And upgrade, lot of programs are happening. Please participate in all the webinars, and lot of very good programs happening in animation, graphic designing. I see a lot of youngsters. You can have parallel talent also. You should utilize there's a lot of scope. Working from home is happening in graphic designing, because post-production is going to be the key now. A lot of people focusing with making short films also, editing, okay, all this mixing. These are all some new opportunities are coming up, which is post-production. So that is, all these creative boys can actually take it up very seriously, upgrading it. So you all can, because short movies are a big time now. Okay. Yes, Oscar sir, you have asked me this on our teleconversation also. This I am telling to every association. I am again telling to you people also. One thing now, as I've been telling you before also, you have to understand very important point here is government has initiated this program of RPL is basically to empower you people. Empower every professional who is an entrepreneur also, so that they can complete and handle their work in a very seamless manner. Now this, they have, before even the COVID comes, every year there is a loan called Mudra loan and Udyami loan. This they launch along with the skill development only. So that once you are skilled, once you are recognized, whether you are a fresher of 3 months or 6 months, after that, as an entrepreneur, you can establish yourself. This provision is already there. Okay. Now, adding on to this, government has given MSME loans also this time because of COVID. But only problem what used to happen is when you used to approach any financial institution like bank or any organization, one question used to always come is, are you really a professional with, a steady professional background? Which through this MESC certificate, that question is answered. Okay, yes, you are a professional, and through this profession, you are earning your livelihood. They would go and show the bank statement, but how is the income coming? If you have a studio which is of 5 years, 10 years, they were able to say it. But if you are not having a studio and you are you have all the gadgets, you have all the equipments, you used to individually go and do because you are on field for the events, right? But for such people, it was becoming difficult to establish that they're professional. So to address that point, government has taken this initiative by way of recognizing through institutes or institutions like yours, okay, which used to clarify, because you are from an association which is dedicated to photographers. That means, yes, step 1, you are professionals. Step 2, already with so many years, that's why your association takes you. And step 3, government has recognized after assessment. So now that professional category of identity is being solved. Okay, so no institution, I am experiencing this in other states also, when they are asking, they are attaching this certificate as a Xerox copy, and MESC registration, Ministry of Entrepreneurship, okay, small and medium micro enterprise, you should register there, whether you are individual working from home or you are a person having a shop. Anything, you should register yourself. That's a very simple online process.
The interest rates are not competitive to what we were expecting, madam, for the MSME.
Okay, so now MSME, I think so. They have certain parameters, like if you have certain things, government is giving subsidized loans, or already existing loans are there. Against that, they are giving some 10% or 20% loans. But what am I trying to say? In Udaya, you have options like Mudra loan. Go to any nationalized banks, they are supporting. But coming to MESC, you have to understand, MESC is purely a sector skill. The name itself says Skill Council. We are here to recognize your skills. We are here to upgrade your skills. We are here to channelize, either like for experience, we are giving the certification, or freshers want to learn. Government has different programs where you can go as a basic training or apprentice. Such programs are there. We are doing. Even for this, there is a cost involved. Even for this, government is funding, but we are not giving directly cash. We are helping you all because you people have got RPL certificate for free. But yes, it is not free. It is being given through funding by the government. There is a cost involved. Okay, that cost on your behalf, on your organization behalf, it has been given. Yes, sir.
Madam, the insurance certificates, will they be sent individually to people?
No, there is no separate insurance certificate. In your certificate, if you can see the last line in the print, that itself is your insurance number and the detail of which insurance company and from when it is valid. It is mentioned in that. So there is no separate copy to it. Okay. So, and it is every information is available on the certificate itself. So that is what MESC does, what MSc does, and what is RPL. Okay, what SBI Mudra loans can do for you all. So please go, you all can avail it. That should not be a big concern because COVID has come now. But empowering you people, Mudra loans have been from the beginning been already. I have been telling you that was the major advantage for all of you, which we also been discussing earlier also. So that should not be an issue. Okay. Yeah, anything
Madam,
else?
any workshops going to happen in Goa for our members?
Okay, now that is what earlier there were certain things what government was having is maybe they would have done, but that is what we are conducting webinars. Webinar is nothing but a workshop. Okay, so once you keep attending, continuously keep attending, and you will also share, okay, you are from so and so category. Now we are getting lot of demand from acting, we are getting lot of demand from animation. So MESC is conducting programs on that. Now your genre, that's why I'm again and again insisting all of you to be on Facebook. You also put it across. We are looking in photography, we want in editing, we want in, you know, videography. Then they will bring in such faculty
Okay.
also. Every day such webinars are happening already. Okay, sitting at home,
Right.
you can sitting at home, you can upgrade yourself. And going forward, they want to conduct boot camps, maybe for 3 days, 4 days, based on what is the demand coming. And with a very normal fee, they can just sit at home, get a certification course, any specific courses. A lot of plans are there, but it all depends on how people are taking it, what is their requirement. There is a team working on it. It is accordingly done. Okay, yeah. Anything
Madam, one
else?
question I want to ask you on behalf of the members.
Yeah.
With this certificate, can my members apply for government jobs?
Government jobs, it is not mandatory that if you are having this that they have, but yes, definitely this is working as your qualification certificate. If you are applying, generally if there is a quota which is there, you apply. This will work as a professional, you know, like a technical skill, because this is a vocational skill recognition for you. But it doesn't become a mandatory that because you have this certificate. As an eligibility criteria, yes, this will be a supportive document always, because it is issued by Government of India. It will be definitely a supportive document, like as if like you're a educated graduate, or you know how you are putting your educational. This will give you the supportive document as your technical knowledge.
Right. Thank you.
Ma'am, in Bombay, the film industrial, we are planning. I was planning because my brother and they are there, so to submit as a fashion photographer, like to learn.
Mm-hmm. You want to learn film cinematography?
Yes, about a fashion. Yes, and some fashion photography, like so I was
Okay.
planning for it in Bombay.
Okay.
After everything is okay, because now the virus went.
Yeah. No problem. Francis, what is your name? Francisco.
Yes, Francisco.
Yeah, you keep getting
Yeah, thank you,
connected on the
Francisco.
webinars. Okay, you will get a lot of ideas. There are a lot of beautiful programs are going on. You will
Yes,
get
ma'am.
good ideas. Maybe you will get more guidance also. And accordingly, and there are a lot of faculties. They have some good institutes. Probably you can choose one. You'll get more ideas. You'll get more
Yes,
ideas.
it is there, ma'am. Now expense everything, ma'am. That's why.
Yeah. You all get connected, and you all will attend the webinars, because even I am also coming to know so many new things, you know, because we sitting in one place, we will not know in every corner what is there. Even Goa has so many academies, nobody knows about it, right? But through
Yes.
these webinars, everybody is getting enough knowledge. Then you can choose accordingly what is of
Yes,
your
sir.
choice. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations to A team. Now smile. We are ready to go. Yes. Thank you. Photograph, we will be having it on our magazine, MESC magazine. This group photo will be shared along with the invite. Now videos. Today, this is the time you can grab your attention on the national channel of MESC, telling that you're a photographer from so and so association with some special category. You may be a wildlife photographer, you may be a, you know, whatever the specialty you have, your niche, and grab it. Say nicely about yourself, a nice introduction, and then tell that you've registered for RPL through Goa Association. Okay, UGVPA specifically say, and then say, express it. You like the program, you think it is helping you as a professional, and then what else you are wanting, like Oscar sir said, you know, some workshops. Okay, workshops on what subject? So this way we'll be posting it on our, which you all also can see. So it will definitely reach the team, and they would this thing, and you can take your mileage. Now you're certified, you can take your mileage. This is the time you can grab your attention on the national channel of MESC, telling that you're a photographer from so and so association with some special category. You may be a wildlife photographer, you may be a, you know, whatever the specialty you have, your niche, and grab it. Say nicely about yourself, a nice introduction, and then tell that you've registered for RPL through Goa Association. Okay, UGVPA specifically say, and then say, express it. You like the program, you think it is helping you as a professional, and then what else you are wanting, like Oscar sir said, some workshops. Okay, workshops on what subject. So this way we'll be posting it on our which you all also can see. So it will definitely reach the team, and they would this thing, and you can take your mileage. Now you're certified, you can take your mileage. Muskan is here with us. Muskan would like to wish all of you. Muskan, please join us.
Yeah, I would just like to congratulate everybody. Many congratulations for the successful certification of RPL Type 2. And also, if anybody is facing any issues or have any queries regarding this RPL Type 2 scheme, we would be happy to help. Our MEAC team would be happy to help you.
She's she's from head office, supporting the RPL team there. Okay, today she came here to wish all of you. There's somebody who is wanting to come. She's here. Okay, and anything else, Muskan, you would like to share?
No, it would be really great if we'll get the testimonials of like 5 to 6 people